having a great time in the kitchen. Kyle and I are joining Chef Maggie Norse with Whisked Cooking School. We have 2 dips down, 1 dip to go.
1 to go. This is a tapenade, so this can be a dip or you can put it on top of things, just like what we were talking about. You're gonna start with about a half a pound of olives. You can mix them up. You can do whatever kind you want in there.
Like what do you have, Kalamata?
I have Kalamata and just green green olives. But you wanna make sure they're pitted before you put them into the food processor.
Okay. Good point.
So I'm gonna just blend these up a little bit. This is my loud food processor.
Do you like olives?
I don't, but there are I feel like I might because there's so many different kinds of olives.
And you like lemon juice?
No, wait,
yes, you like lemon juice. You just don't like
juice?
lemon in sweet things.
The opposite. I love lemon and sweet.
Oh, you like the sweet things, not the savory.
Oh, so
right?
two out of these 3 dips she's not gonna eat. I put lemon juice, capers.
All right.
I'm gonna put basil in here. I'm gonna put some garlic clove in there that I've minced already. And then I'm gonna put some anchovy paste. Now this grosses people out, but it tastes like an earthy saltiness. You're not tasting fish. And I use the anchovy paste because if I open—
Do you like anchovy paste, Kyle?
I might. I've never had it.
I guarantee if I didn't tell you it was in it, you wouldn't taste it. And then I'm gonna put olive oil in here too. Now you can put other things in here. You can put roasted red peppers, you can put sun-dried tomatoes.
So we're gonna get this mixed up. When we come back, we'll take a look at the 2 dips and a tapenade that I know Kyle's gonna try. And if you want the recipe at home for yourself, go online to our website, and I think that looks delicious. So we'll be right back. All these dips and tapenade look amazing. Thank you for upgrading our barbecue.
You betcha. Hopefully you can use one of them.
And the crackers are gluten-free.
Always want a gluten-free option.
Gotta please everyone.
And I think we're gonna do it with these dips. Maggie, thanks so much. Kyle, always fun with you. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.